I used 25 grams of leaven, 25 grams of rye flour, and 25 grams of water to make about 1/4 cup of starter for this recipe. Then I added the salt, the teaspoon, a little heaping, and 350 grams of water. And then I added the 500 grams of organic white bread flour and mixed it all up with my KitchenAid. And then I made a little dough ball that sat on my counter for 8 hours because I didn't know that this was just supposed to be a single rise bread. So when I was pulling it out of the bucket, obviously I needed to get it reshaped. So I ended up doing some 4-corner pulls on it and just put it in my smaller USA bread pan so that I could proof it and it could get a second rise and be more sour. That lasted from 4:00 p.m. until 10 o'clock. And at 10 o'clock, I turned the oven on and got it preheating to 450 degrees. But while it was preheating, I put the covered bread pan with the dough in it because it still was only risen about halfway up. I put it in my little toaster that has a proof setting at 90 degrees, and that stayed in there for about probably 15 minutes. And then I took it out of there and I popped it in the oven at 450 degrees for 25 minutes, and then I took the lid off and I cooked it another 10 minutes and checked the temp, and it was like 195 internal temp. So that's what I did, just as a reminder for the next time I want to do it. Also, the USA pan was great for a clean release. A little bit of a bubble there. Oh, blowout. Here goes the first cut. Oh, the top is kind of bubbly. You ready? Are you ready? You ready for this? Oh my gosh. I mean, you got the bubbles on top there, but that's a pretty good looking loaf of bread, guys. Let's see how it looks as we go through. Oh my gosh. My bread is not like this. This is pretty cool for me. It's looking pretty good all the way through. It's soft too. I haven't tasted it obviously, but it smells sour. We got a little bit of a hole there, but it doesn't look like it's too much. Yeah, that wasn't bad. Okay, I'm not going to cut the rest of it. Well, it looks pretty darn good. I'm pretty excited about this recipe. Thank you very much. Now, the question is it sour? It's pretty darn sour. I mean, it definitely tastes like sourdough. Good job. Good job, guys. Good job. Thank you. Sorry, I have a mouthful of bread.